Welcome back to the coolest tech, where innovation, discovery, and the extraordinary converge. Introducing the Nothing Phone 2, recognizable by its slightly curved glass back. At first glance, it bears similarities to the Phone 1. However, appearances can be deceiving. When the design of the Nothing Phone 2 was unveiled by a YouTuber, comments flooded in, expressing disappointment over its resemblance to the Phone 1. Many believe that not much had changed. Yet, there's a deeper perspective to consider. As a new 2-year-old smartphone company, it's essential to establish a consistent design language. Drastic changes from one year to the next could hinder this identity formation. While some design tweaks like curved glass and a lighter gray are evident, the essence of maintaining a recognizable Nothing Phone look is intentional. It's not merely about dramatic shifts in design, but about building a recognizable brand identity over time. They went with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, an upgrade from the previous phone, but not the latest. The base version has 8GB RAM. My test version has 12GB. Performance is buttery smooth. The dynamic refresh rate feels like 120Hz, with some minor hangs and one-off bugs. More thermal warnings during wireless charging. The software experience is enjoyable and full of character, with UI tweaks and customizable icons on the home screen. They've added a neat feature for organizing apps. You can double the size of frequently used ones, making them look like 4 icons. The fresh folder design on the home screen is appealing. Adding quick settings as widgets is clever. Lock screen widgets, though limited to Nothing's widgets, are impressive, offering weather, clocks, and more. Always on display with dot matrix style presentation is handy for weather updates. The uniform use of Nothing dot fonts and the dot motif across the interface ties everything together. The glyph feature stares varying opinions, some labeling it a gimmick, others intrigued. My stance falls in between. These LEDs are slightly brighter and wider than the Nothing Phone 1. Design shifts include dual LEDs replacing a single arc around the cameras, and the large C splitting into 6 sections. More addressable LED zones offer precise control. New software features leverage this control: countdown timer, progress indicators for apps like Uber and Zomato, and a torch long press for the glyph flashlight. The glyph feature emits a softer light, with an essential notification light allowing customization for specific apps. The glyph composer lets you craft your notification sound. Now, is it a bit gimmicky? Yes, definitely. Some elements might seem like quirky novelties that you're unlikely to use. However, within this array, certain aspects could prove useful to different users. But here's what puzzles me. Why not provide more comprehensive customization control over the lights? What if I want to assign different lights for 3 or 4 different apps on the back? Is that an insurmountable technical challenge? Or is there some other reason behind this limitation? Regardless, this capability isn't available. That said, I want to reiterate my earlier point. This phone truly has character. This is all part of Nothing's self-titled operating system, Nothing OS 2 to be precise. But to dive deeper, it's essentially Nothing's unique take on top of Android 13 at the moment. I'm reminded of the Google Pixel's customized version of Android, a distinctive version that echoes throughout the user experience. Given that Nothing is based in London, you'll come across phrases like airplane mode and color correction. Even the trash in Google Photos goes by the bin. By default, the desktop icons embrace a monotone design, a concept that always sparks my interest. Every time a company attempts it, I root for its success. Yet there's always seemed to be a few apps that don't quite mesh with the look, and the same holds here. One noteworthy aspect is the use of a clear back. I've been quite enthusiastic about other transparent gadgets recently. Someone pointed out the uneven glue in the hinge of the Beats Studio Buds Plus case, and now I can't unsee it. However, it made me appreciate the fact that Nothing is heavily invested in the transparent theme. This year, they even introduced a transparent cable, a small but interesting detail. Now let's delve into the heart of the matter. 2 of the pivotal aspects of any new phone are its battery life and camera performance. The good news is that the battery life of this new model has greatly improved. However, the camera situation isn't as rosy. Let's break it down. Battery life received a significant boost with the battery capacity jumping from 4,500 to 4,700 mAh. Coupled with a more power-efficient chip and a peak charging rate of 45 watts, this phone can comfortably handle 6 to 7 hours of screen-on time, even with demanding tasks. Moreover, fast charging can take it from empty to full in an hour, and there's also 15 watts wireless charging available. As for the cameras, they haven't quite kept pace with the battery improvements. The dual camera setup remains, with a primary and ultra-wide lens. These cameras have upgraded sensors, boasting 50 megapixels each. However, the quality of those pixels matters more than the quantity. The primary sensor is the Sony IMX890, also found in the OnePlus 11 and OnePlus Nord 3. In good lighting conditions, this camera system produces pleasing results. But as expected, its performance falters in low light conditions, with photos becoming noisy or soft. Notably, a peculiar bug sometimes leads to ghosting in photos of moving subjects. Hopefully, this is something that can be addressed before the phone hits the market. While this phone has some minor idiosyncrasies, like strong haptics on the keyboard, it's the software that truly sets it apart. Nothing's self-titled OS2 built upon Android 13 contributes a distinct character to the phone. Its London origins shine through in language and design choices, and certain features such as lock screen widgets and customized icons stand out. The LED glyph system, while somewhat gimmicky, has practical uses, such as personalized notifications. So, in summary, while the Nothing Phone 2 might not boast the most cutting-edge specs or groundbreaking design, its unique software experience is the standout feature. It's a device where the value emerges from the interactions and character it presents, making it a notable entry in the smartphone landscape. Drop us a comment below. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more enlightening content. May these innovations inspire your own journey of exploration and curiosity. Until next time.